Hello, today we will guide you through how to pin chat messages in Zoom Channel. To begin, open the Zoom app on your device. Make sure you're signed in and on the main Zoom home screen before moving forward. In this walkthrough, we're using a quick meeting just to demonstrate how the chat pinning option works in a live Zoom environment. Once Zoom is open, click on New Meeting. This will create a meeting space where you can access the chat tools. If you're following along for practice, this is a simple way to test the feature without needing to wait for a scheduled meeting. After selecting New Meeting, click Start to launch the meeting. When the meeting window opens, look along the bottom toolbar and click Chat. This opens the meeting chat panel, where messages can be sent and managed. If you don't immediately see the toolbar, move your cursor over the Zoom window and it should appear. Next, enter a sample chat message. This can be any short test message you want to use for practice. The goal here is simply to create a message that you can interact with. After typing the message, send it so it appears in the chat thread. Now find that sample message in the chat panel, move your cursor over the message, and click the three-dot menu associated with it. This menu contains additional actions you can take for that specific message. If you don't see the three dots right away, hovering over the message usually makes the option appear more clearly. From the menu, click Pin to Everyone. This will pin the selected message so it becomes more visible to all meeting participants. Pinned messages are useful when you want to highlight important information, such as instructions, reminders, or links that everyone in the meeting should notice easily. After you select the pin option, Zoom will apply the change and the message will be marked as pinned. At that point, other participants in the meeting should also be able to see that the message has been pinned, helping keep key information front and center during the conversation. That's all it takes to pin a chat message in Zoom. If you're practicing this for the first time, it can be helpful to send a few test messages and repeat the process until you're comfortable locating the menu and using the pin option smoothly. Once you know where to find it, pinning messages becomes a quick and useful way to organize communication during meetings.